Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming hardware and carrier support. That's essential. Once done, update MIUI and carrier APN to avoid provisioning issues. Make sure a 5G-capable SIM is in the primary slot and enable mobile data. Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, and set preferred network to LTE/5G or Auto. You should also check the SIM toolkit for carrier activation messages, if prompted. Accept carrier updates. This gets you past the first gating steps quickly. Once the basic settings are live, verify band compatibility, because mismatched bands prevent 5G registration. You can find carrier bands and compare to the phone's modem specs. If they match, proceed. Enter exact APN values from your carrier and save, then toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force network reattach. Make sure MIUI and baseband firmware are up to date. Install any carrier profiles or authorized modem updates. This ensures your phone can negotiate 5G properly. You finish by confirming the 5G icon appears and running a speed test to verify throughput. If you still don't see 5G, reset network settings, restart the phone, and reinsert the SIM. These quick actions often resolve provisioning or APN issues. If problems persist, contact the carrier to confirm your plan is 5G enabled and that they've provisioned your MA. One key troubleshooting tip: if registration fails repeatedly, request a network trace from the carrier to identify band or authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.